Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for air sign Aquarius, your person current feelings and actions. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So this reading is from June 21st to June 30th. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Aquarius. Sorry. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Six of Pentacles, the Death. Wow, Page of Wands. Yes, your person have passion towards you and they want to give equal give and take to you. In past there is no equal give and take. One person invest in this connection more than another person, but your person realizing that you have to give as you give this connection because there is no equal give and take in past. Death, your person undergo some transformation. Your person could be Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. As your person may be younger than you or you may be younger than your person. Page of Wands, he is handsome, good looking. So I want clarification cards for here. Six of Pentacles, why is here Six of Pentacles? Four of Swords, Eight of Cups. One person is walking away from the situation. Wow. When one person is walked away the situation, then another person want to offer the long-term commitment. In this connection, they want to communicate you. Messages coming in your way because they already think a lot about the situation. Then they realize they want to offer equal to you as you give the person. Because in past there is no equal give and take, but your person realize no, they want to offer equal give and take to this connection. Definitely they want to offer this Ace of Pentacles long-term commitment to you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Aquarius. Mind. Page of Swords. I think your person may be spying on your social media. Change, Wheel of Fortune. Yes, things are getting turning in your favor. Playfulness. Yes, definitely your person. Page of Wands, two times Page of Wands. Yes, he want to come towards you. A lot of passion. Change, Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely communication is coming. Things are turning in your favor, Aquarius. Definitely. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Celebration. Wow. Definitely reconciliation, there is a chance for. Loneliness, Hermit. So what energy, lot of cards. Isolation, one person is heartbroken, directly happiness. So then they will become very independent. Isolation, heartbreak. Loneliness means so they are in hermit mode, seeing things clearly. Celebration, yes, they want to reconcile with you. It's up to you to reconcile or not. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.